Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem. Test a call in the phone app and record a voice note so you know if the speaker or network is at fault. Once done, visually inspect the speaker grill for lint or dust and blow it out gently with compressed air or a 0.5 mm brush. Make sure to toggle Do Not Disturb, Mute, Bluetooth, and all volume sliders. These quick checks separate simple software blocks from hardware faults and save time. Next, you dig deeper. Reboot the phone into safe mode so third-party apps can't interfere. If audio returns, an app is the culprit, and you should uninstall recent additions. Then, check for OS and carrier updates and back up your data before applying them because firmware can resolve low-level audio issues. Finally, run the built-in speaker diagnostic in the service menu or a trusted diagnostics app to measure output. This confirms whether the component itself is failing or just its driving software. If diagnostics point to hardware, you proceed to replacement. Swap the speaker assembly yourself only if you have proper tools and guides, otherwise consult an authorized repair to avoid voiding warranty. If software restoration is needed, perform a factory reset after a complete backup and restore apps selectively so you catch the offending one. Finally, remember this key troubleshooting tip. Always test audio with
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.